welcome back to learn English from zero. In our last lesson, we learned the English alphabet and greetings. Today we are going to learn English numbers from 0 to 100. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to count, tell your age and use numbers in everyday English. Let's begin. Part 1. Numbers 0 to 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now let's count very slowly. Repeat after me. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job! Part 2. Numbers 11 to 20. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, now count very slowly. Repeat after me. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Great job! Part 3. Tens. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, now let's count very slowly. Repeat after me. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Great job! Part 4. Numbers between the tens. 21, 25, 34, 36, 41, 56, 72, 85, 99. Asking age. How old are you? I am 20 years old. If not, you can say, I'm 20. Asking a phone number. What's your phone number? My phone number is 071 234 5678. In here, you can tell each number separately. Talking about prices. How much is it? It's $10. How much is it? It's 100 rupees. Okay, great job. Now pause the video and answer these questions. What number comes after 18? What number comes before 70? How do you say these numbers? How old are you? Excellent work! Today you learn English numbers from 0 to 100. Practice them every day by reading prices, phone numbers, house numbers and bus numbers in English. In lesson 3, we will learn days of the week, months of the year and dates. See you in the next lesson.